Bed bugs. Just the name alone is enough to make your skin crawl. These tiny pests are more than a nuisance. Left unchecked, they can spread quickly, disrupt sleep, and be difficult to eliminate without professional help. Bed bugs are small, flat, reddish-brown insects about the size of an apple seed. They feed exclusively on blood and prefer to strike at night while you're sleeping. One of the biggest challenges? You often don't see the bugs themselves right away. Instead, you'll notice the signs. Bed bugs are expert hiders. They squeeze into mattress seams, behind headboards, inside furniture joints, baseboards, even electrical outlets. That's why early inspection is key. Most infestations start with travel. Bed bugs are world-class hitchhikers. They latch onto luggage, clothing, or secondhand furniture and come home with you, no matter how clean your home is. They're not drawn to dirt or food like other pests. Bed bugs are attracted to warmth, body heat, and the carbon dioxide you breathe out while sleeping. That's why they cluster near beds, couches, and anywhere people rest for long periods. Here are a few smart steps to help prevent bed bugs from entering your home. Think you can handle it on your own? Unfortunately, bed bugs are resilient. Over-the-counter sprays rarely reach the hidden bugs or eggs, and because they breed quickly, even a few survivors can restart the problem. At Plunkett's Pest Control, our expert technicians take a comprehensive approach. We inspect every possible hiding spot, use professional-grade treatments, and monitor results to ensure total elimination. Our solutions are discreet, effective, and customized to your space, whether it's your home, apartment, or commercial property. Seeing signs of bed bugs? Don't wait. Call Plunkett's today for expert inspection and lasting results.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like more pest control tips, check out these videos or subscribe to our channel.